I can whistle that Dolly song. I can whistle Dolly song. As much as I know.
Now arriving at Glenbervie.
Excuse me. What? Oh, the whistling. That's all I know from that song.
Glenbervie.
I suppose I could just sing that. Like, I normally just post. I normally do post on here and I don't sing a whole song. I just sing some of a song.
This is a service to
Some of a song.
Craigieburn, stopping all stations via the City Loop.
But that's not my favourite lyrics to sing. Although, I need to, like, I don't know what the whole song's about.
Now arriving at Strathmore.
Ooh! Not much longer to go. Normally when I get to this station, I'm alert. I'm like, be prepared. Now you got me whistling that song.
Now arriving at Pascoe Vale.
Now I'm just whistling whatever. You can call me Songbird. Songbird. I don't even know what I'm whistling. Yeah, but it sounds alright.
This is a service to Craigieburn, stopping all stations via the City Loop.
Songbird. I'm gonna call this Songbird.